Hey everyone, what is up? Ethereal here with another video. I hope you all have been doing well this week as well as last week and have been keeping up with the weekly moisture routines. It's now the third week of the 3-month mini braid challenge, so it's time to give you even more secrets and pointers on how to grow your hair long in mini braids. So if you're on a journey to achieve longer natural hair, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 3 most important things that long-haired naturals swear by to grow their hair to amazing lengths. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. You don't want to miss anything around here. So without further ado, let's get started. The first secret to even beginning to grow your natural hair long is actually believing that you can. In the first 9 years of my natural hair journey, I had a very negative mindset about my hair. Due to not understanding what I was doing wrong with my hair in order for it not to retain length, I fell into the belief that my hair just isn't the type that can grow to long lengths. These beliefs caused me to remain stagnant in my hair growth journey. Imagine that. 9 whole years of stagnation due to limiting myself mentally on what I could do. This is a prime example of what you think you become. If you are in this mental trap that your hair is difficult and isn't designed to grow, this is a wake-up call from limiting yourself to not only society's design stereotype for our hair, but your own negativity within yourself as well. I realized that once I got my mind right, everything else started to thrive. I'm doing this in the hopes that you'll be able to get it sooner than I did, considering it took me almost a decade. Secret number 2 that all long-haired naturals swear by is being productively lazy. Being productively lazy simply consists of working smarter, not harder, keeping your routine as simple as possible, and doing that routine religiously. In fact, the fact that you're even doing mini braids is the epitome of working smarter instead of harder, because 1, we're not trying to do our hair every single day. 2, we're not trying to keep up with the Joneses, which is hopping on every single trend that we see. And 3, we're not wasting what little energy that we do have after working and whatnot over the week to take care of our hair with an overcomplicated hair routine. The hardest parts that we will be dealing with in this routine: A, the mini braid installation, which we've already done. B, the rebraiding technique, and how often is that? Every 2 months. And C, the takedown, and that's it. Seems like we're on a roll, aren't we? The last secret is secret number 3, which is having patience with your protective style. Mini braids are a protective style that will definitely teach you about patience. And patience is something that is important to your success on your natural hair journey, with or without mini braids. Mini braids can definitely help with exercising patience and increasing your ability to be super observant with your hair by allowing you to get a close-up from the roots all the way down to the ends. Thank you all for watching. Until next week, this is Ethereal signing off. Bye.